Hi, welcome to 30-minute trade. Here I recommend the stocks on daily and weekly basis, as well as I do the market analysis every day. I recommend the stocks based on the fundamentals, technicals, as well as the current market situation. So based on three factors, I choose the stocks out of my many developed strategies. From there I pick the best stocks and I recommend to you. Only thing, you need to spend few minutes every day, like 30 minutes, so for execution purpose. And also I recommend, when to buy, where to buy, all those details. So let's go to the today's tomorrow's market, how it is working. Let's analyze that one. Okay, here market, I think today I didn't recommend any of the stocks yesterday because market is, I think, kind of a over bought yesterday, so I didn't get any of the stocks in my watch list. So today we will go to the market is like, today just a little pullback in the morning. If you go to the in the lower 30-minute chart, here you see the some kind of a selling happen in the morning. After that it got recovered, but still I think kind of a pullback a little bit. So might be tomorrow also it will happen, it will repeat, because normally is Thursday evening and Friday morning, I think too much selling happens. So I will initiate the positions most of the time at the end of the on Friday, and also I don't initiate any of the stocks on Thursday, because most of the people or institutions will sell either Thursday afternoon or Friday morning. So that's why I don't recommend to initiate any of the stock in the on Friday morning or on Thursday evening. So so this is my observation. So if you see the T2108, what it tells, this basically stocks above 40-day average. So number of stocks above, because if more stocks are pushing upwards, then it means buyers are more dominating than the sellers. So if buyers are dominating, we need to initiate the position. So that's how I look at this market. Here last few days it was pullback stage. Today I think little bit sell buyers came in the little afternoon. So might be tomorrow also we will see, if we get any positive day here, then I will initiate the position. So let's go to the uh, what are the recommended stocks that previous day before yesterday. These are the stocks that I recommended. Still it's in the uptrend. So might be if any sell off happens in the tomorrow, then I will initiate at the end of the day. So still it is a good shape. uh, q q also 3 days it went up, so I need to see some kind of a pullback here. Tesla still, it's going in uptrend. The volume is still heavy, and also it is very volatile stock, so be aware of that. If any kind of a range happens, then I will initiate the position again. So we will see, we'll know by tomorrow. Okay, Perry still it is forming the range. It takes a little bit more time to go upwards, but volume is heavy last few days. So upward volume is greater than the downward selling. So that means that, still it has potential to go up in the coming weeks. So far it's good right now. Let's go to today's stocks that I recommending. Okay, Veru is the one of the drug related drug manufacturer. If you look at the weekly chart, it's really it's in the uptrend. I'm expecting to move upwards in this from this point because um, he didn't, as per chart wise, it's really good. Technically, it's very strong, but we need to see how it moves. But yeah, I will initiate, might be tomorrow. If it breaks above from this point, 4.69 or 4.7, and then it will move upwards like I can expect like this trend. So otherwise, it won't go. OYST, I recommended here. The by point here. OYST, if you look at this chart, it's a recent IPO. Yeah, so you need to buy IPOs really very well, even though strong fundamentals are not there, but technically it's very sound because biotech, those of the stocks, it never reveals the correct fundamentals. So based on technicals, we can initiate here. Here the technical is really good. If we break from here out of from 37, then it's really good to hold for few days. So far from here to here we got almost 10-15%. Here ALNY, this is also one by biotech. Uh, Alnylam Pharmaceuticals. So if you look at the weekly chart, really it has potential to go up until 140, 154, something like that. If you see in the daily chart, is really good to initiate at this point. So um, you can initiate. This is a kind of a high price stock, but float is very less. That's good because it will move fast. DDD, this 3D systems is related to the techie stock. So far, this looks very good. If you look at the cup with the handle, this is a very big cup and there is a strong handle, so it forms the range here. And now it is trying to move up from here. So if you look at the weekly chart, really good. So I'm expecting more until $15 in near future in coming 1-2 weeks. So let's see how it goes. So far it looks good. 3D systems, let's go and see how the fundamentals. EPS this year is 31.7, but next year they are expecting 175. So that is really awesome. And last quarters also performing very well. So that means it's a kind of a momentum stock. So we can expect more in the near future. RDNT, I recommend it. RDNT is also very good. It forms the big range here. We will know long-term potential. I think it is ready to move. So far, I think it's forming the range. Might be tomorrow. I will initiate the stock. This one, I think I had some position in this one, but I will initiate more tomorrow because it didn't break. Let's see what happens. So these are the 5 stocks I think I'm recommending. So let's I didn't get any many stocks this week. Somehow market is kind of a over bought. So tomorrow I think we will see at the end of the day I will initiate all these positions, and if something really in the same range, if nothing happens tomorrow. So okay, these are the stocks I think. So far, and also you remember, don't buy anything before earnings day. Either it will go up or down. Most of the time if it goes down, it goes very heavy selling, so that's why I don't recommend. I also don't initiate any of the position before earnings, and also don't take more than 5% loss. There are many growth stocks will be coming in future, so don't wait, don't stick with the loser stocks. Okay, that's my strong recommendation. If you like this video, please subscribe it and also recommend anyone so that you benefit and also others benefit. And also you click the like button. If you have any questions, comments, please put it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Happy trading. See you soon.